श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीमष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणि। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाब्धितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्क्षुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय कृष्णाय क्लिष्टकारिणे नमो वेदान्तवेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकादिवर्जितः। एकं शास्त्रं देवकीपुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकीपुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। ॐ श्रीकृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। उदय कोऽपि नागताः आन्लैन् मध्ये
Recording करोतु. The remove if you want to remove. You do five shlokas maybe. Is it 5 shlokas?
We stopped in the last discussion here. मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिः श्रीर्वाक्यनारीणाम्
Akshay.
वाक्चनारीणाम् स्मृतिमेधा धृतिः क्षमा. He's continuing. He says, Krishna says, बहुत्साम तथा साम्नाम् बहुत्साम तत् oh sorry बृहत्साम तथा साम्नाम् गायत्री छन्दसामहम् मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहम् ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः. So he's saying बृहत् बृहत्सानां यथा साम्नां गायत्री छन्दसामहम्. So in all the Sama, I am the Bruhat Sama. He's saying, out of all the Chandas, I am the Gayatri Chandas. Masana Margashirshoham, I am the Margashirsha Masa out of all Masas. And Aham Rutuna Kusumakaraha, I am Kusumakara Rutu. Kusumakaraha ityukte
Vasanta.
Vasantaha. The time when new leaves come. Vasanta Rutu. Kusumakaraha. So he's saying बृहत्साम तथा साम्नां प्रधानमस्मि गायत्री छन्दसाम् अहं गायत्र्यादिछन्दो विशिष्टानां ऋचां गायत्री ऋक् अहम् अस्मि इत्यर्थः. मासानां मार्गशीर्षः अहं ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः वसन्तः. The discussion, there is no discussion, it's very simple. And then he continues to say, Dyutam Chalaya
Shalayatamasmi.
Dyutam Chalayatamasmi
Tejasvinamaham.
Tejasvinamaham
Jayosmi Vyavasayosmi.
Jayosmi Vyavasayosmi
Sattvam Sattvavatamaham.
Sattvam Sattvavatamaham. Chalayatam Aham Dyutamasmi. Of those who are doing chala, I am the Dyuta. Out of all the kinds of chala, out of all the kinds of what is chala? Gambler. No.
Chala is all the ways of deceiving.
Deceiving. I am the Dyuta. Tejasvinama. I am the Tejas of the Tejasvi. All those things that have Tejas. I am the Tejas of those Tejasvis. Jayosmi Vyavasayaha Asmi. Aham Jayaha. Aham Vyavasayaha. I am the victory. व्यवसायः इत्युक्ते एफर्ट् रैट् एफर्ट् अस्मि सत्त्ववतामहम् आफ् दोस् हू आर् सत्त्ववताः तेषाम् अहं सत्त्वमस्मि I am the sattva of all those sattvic people. In saying
Sattva can also mean in general the living being. Living creatures also called sattvas. Sattvam, sattvavata. Those which have the living principles. I am of the living principle of that of those creatures.
Life. Sattvam ityukte life. Sattvavatam sattvamasmi. I am the life of all the living creatures. Interesting. Dyutam Akshadevadi Lakshanam Chalayatam Chalasya Kartrunam Asmi. So I am the out of all those people who are trying to deceive. In them, I am the Dyuta. I am the gambling in them. Tejasvinam Tejaha Aham. All those things or bodies that have tejas. I am their tejas. They have tejas because of me only. Jayaha asmi. Jetronam, of those who win. I am their victory. Vyavasayaha asmi. Vyavasayinam. Out of those who are doing prayatna, I am their yatna. Out of those who are trying, I am the one, I am the cause. Iti va? Then vadati Sattvam Sattvavatam Satvikanam Aham. So Shankaracharya is differing from what Sudarshana is saying. He is saying Satvikanam Aham Sattvam Asmi. So all those people who are Satvikas, in them I am the Sattva Guna. Chalayatam, of the fraudulent, of the deceitful, I am Dyutam, gambling, such as playing of dice. I am Tejaha, I am irresistible, Tejasvinam, of the mighty. Being translated this as the splendor of the splendor. Splendid, the splendor of the splendid. This is nice. Splendor. I am the Jayaha, the excellence of the excellent. Some translate this as victory of the victorious. I am the Vyavasayaha, effort of perceiving. I am the effort of perceiving, of those who are perceiving. I am the effort that they put. I am the Sattvam, Sattva quality, the result of Sattva, virtue, knowledge, detachment, etc. Sattvavatam, of those who possess Sattva. I am that Sattvika itself. Any points that one might want to raise? Ma'am? Namaste. Welcome to the discussion. What is SSR Kosuru? What is her name? Shanta. Oh. क्षम्यतां. शान्ता आर्ये. नमस्कारः.
Namaskar.
Namaskaraha. Any comments, any thoughts on this particular verse?
No.
Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next one then. वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनाम् अप्यहं व्यासः कवीनाम् उशना कविः वृष्णीनां वासुदेवः. What is Vrishni?
Yadavas are called
Vrishni.
Vishnus.
In the Yadavas, I am the Vasudeva, son of Vasudeva. Vasudevaha asmi, I am the Vasudeva. Pandavanam Dhananjayaha. In all the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Muninam aham Vyasaha. Out of all the Munis, I am the Vyasa Muni. Kavinam Ushana Kavihi. Kaha Ushana?
Shukracharya.
Shukracharya Kavihi va?
He is called the Kavi because he is known to be the Shastra Pranetara of all the Kavyas. So there, whereas the word Kavi meant Jnani, just Kavim Kavinam Upamashramasam, those who would use intuition for saying things. So that was the Kavi.
Oh.
So he would use intuition to say Shastras, not necessarily depending only on the Vedic orthodoxy. So he was like the Kavi, the poet who is the unorthodox figure.
I see. Vrishninam Yadavanam Vasudevaha Asmi. I am the son of Vasudeva in all the Vrishni. Vrishni means Yaduvamsha. I am that Vasudeva. Ayameva Aham Tvatsakha. That one is your friend. The one who is your friend, that Vasudeva, that I am out of all the Yadavas. Pandavanam Dhananjayaha Tvameva. And in the 5 Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya, I am Arjuna. Muninam Mananashilanam Sarva Padartha Jnaninam Api Aham Vyasaha. So he is explaining what Muni is. Muninam, What is a Muni? Manana Shilanam, those who are always doing Manana. Sarva Padartha Jnaninam, those who know Padartha, all the Padarthas, such kind of Jnanis. Aham Vyasaha, I am that Vyasa. Kavinam, Krantadarshinam, Kavinam ityukte Krantadarshinam, who are able to see beyond. Ushana Kavihi. Ushana Kavihi. Did not translate Ushana. Let's see. Kavinam of the omniscient, those who know the past, present, and the future. I am Ushana. Ushana is Shukracharya. Any comments, Sudarshana?
No.
No? Shall we move on to the next shloka? Dando damayatamasmi nitirasmi jagishatam maunam chaivasmi guhyanam jnanam jnanavatamaham. Jnanavatam jnanamasmi. Of those who have jnana, I am their jnana. Guhyanam aham maunamasmi. Those who are doing tapasya by being mauna, I am their maunatva itself. And jigishatam nitirasmi. Jigishatam nitirasmi. What is jigisha?
Ye jetum ichanti te jigishuhu.
Oh.
Those who want to win.
Those who
Like
want
him.
to jigishatam nitirasmi. I am their nitiya. What is niti?
Niti is strategy. Kutaniti.
Strategy.
Strategy. I am the strategy which is used to win over. He is advocating strategy rather than brute force.
Jigishatam nitirasmi. All of those who are willing to get victory, I am their strategy. Dando damayatam asmi. Aham damayatam dandaha asmi. Those that is used to oppress. Is that correct? Damayatam dandaha. I am the stick.
Oh yeah, the kings used to have this.
It can also mean danda as in punishment.
Punishment. Oh.
This is sama, dana, bheda, danda. Chaturupaya.
Damayatam ityukte.
Of those who is to control or to course correct.
Right. Those which are you, those people who do course correction. For them, I am their danda.
Danda.
Dandaha damayatam damayitrunam asmi adantanam karanam. Adantanam karanam. Those who are trying to get rid of uncivilized people, or those people who are trying to get rid of those terrorists, those what is it called? Anti-social people. For them, I am their danda. Danda basically right now at that time it was danda. Today it would be AK-47. Correct? Then nitihi asmi jigishatam jetumichhatam. Out of those who are jetumichhatam, those who have the icha of winning, I have nitihi. I am their strategy. Maunam chaiva asmi guhyanam gopyanam, those who are secretive, I am their maunam. Those who are trying to keep secrets, I am their maunam. And then jnanam jnanavatamaham.
What is Krishna actually trying to say?
He is basically pointing out. All of this started when Arjuna asked, how should we do dhyana of you? Like, I might not get your full avatar.
Oh, so the ultimate idea is even through your karma also, you're doing my own dhyana. Because
correct.
If you are trying to win, you are making a strategy. And in making that strategy, since I myself am that strategy, you are
The point is
worshipping
this. Point is, he's asking you to recognize him
me.
in everything. So the point is this: where can I look for you? how can I know that you are here? How can I know that it's
Correct,
me?
correct, correct.
Right?
So we
So
often
Krishna is
feel
starting
that,
to say, he starts with Atma, Aham Atma. And then he stays, I am the middle, end, and the birth of things. And then he keeps on going on into all the worldly things and pointing out where he is. The point is that as you go through world, as you do different kinds of things, you it is for you to observe and see that yes,
yeah.
this is also Krishna.
Yeah, because people always say that, too busy, I don't have time to worship God. But even while they are busy, while they are doing their work, they are still, if they concentrated on Krishna or on God Himself, they are still worshiping Him on there.
Correct. Agreed. तदनन्तरं वदति भवती किमपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा महोदये?
I think I want to be in the silent mode,
Okay,
please.
ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, ma'am.
भवति ओम
तदनन्तरं कृष्णः वदति यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति न तदस्ति विना यस् यत् स्यात् स्यान्म न तदस्ति विना यस्यान् मया भूतं चराचरं यस्यात् मया भूतं यस्यान् मया भूतं यत् स्यान् मया भूतम् ओके यच्चापि I've been saying so many different things. Overall, yacchapi sarvabhutanam bijam tad ahamasmi. The root of all these bhutas,
Correct.
all the beings, all beings, tesham bijam ahamasmi. I am the bija, I am the root for all their existence. Na tadasmi, na tadasti vina yat स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम् मया भूतं चराचरम् मया विना भूतं चराचरम् यत् तत् न अस्ति. So whether it is characharam, whether it is moving or not moving, characharam bhutam, whatever being that is there, maya, by me, nothing is not by me. That is what he is saying. Meaning that everything is by him.
Controls.
See what he is saying here. Vrichapi sarvabhutanam bijam praroha karanam roha praroha ityukte kim praroha branch grow up sprout praroha karanam. I see.
What did you?
And that aham arjuna प्रकरणोपह प्रकरणोपसंहारार्थं विभूतिसङ्क्षेपमाह विभूतिसङ्क्षेपमाह प्रकरणोपसंहारार्थं. In order to end this prakarana, in order to end this continuous verses that are continuously telling I am this, I am that, I am here, I am there, etc., etc. Vibhuti Sankshepa to stop this Vibhuti Prakarana, he said, what did he say? Natat asti bhutam characharam charam acharam va. There is no anything, whether it is moving or immoving, maya vina yat syat bhavet. Without me is what he said. Without me, there is no being, is what he said. To end this chapter, मया अपकृष्टं परित्यक्तं निरात्मकं शून्यं हि तत् स्यात् अतः मदात्मकं सर्वमित्यर्थः. So everything is madatmakam, is within his own atma. That is exactly what he is saying. There is nothing in this world that is without Krishna, without Paramatma. Moreover, so this is the translation. Is this it, or is there another verse? Oh, there is more. Okay. Are you more are there? Is that it? So, 3 more. I'll complete this adhyaya today and stop. नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप एष तूद्देशः वेष एष तूद्देशतः प्रोक्तो एष तूद्देशतः प्रोक्तो विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया. एतत् देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेः विस्तृतः मया विभूतेः विस्तृतः एषः प्रोक्तः. नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप. There is no end to my vibhutis. My work, my vibhuti, they have no end. Na tat deshatah proktah. Just have 2 more shlokas and we'll end the chapter. Proktah vibhuter विस्तृतः मया. Let's see. न अन्तः अस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां विस्तृतानां परन्तप. So there is no end to my vibhutis. न हि ईश्वरस्य सर्वात्मनः दिव्यानां विभूतीनाम् इत्यतः शक्या वक्तुं ज्ञातुं वा केनचित्. Nobody is able to tell or list all the different vibhutis that Paramatma has, nor can one know completely all the vibhutis that Paramatma has. Esha tu uddeshataha. With this uddesha, it's done just 2 verses. Esha tu uddeshataha. With this uddesha proktaha vibhutehe vistrutaha maya. So in order to exemplify this, in order to make you understand this, with this uddesha, I have told all the Vistruta Vibhutis of. So once again, we'll quickly read the translation. O Parantapa, O destroyer of enemies, there is no limit to my divine manifestations. Indeed, it is not possible for anyone to speak or know of the limit of the divine manifestations of all pervading God. This description of my manifestation, however, Proktaha, has been stated by me, Uddeshaha, by a way of illustration, partially, just to give you an idea what is happening.
Jesus.
And then he says, Udyat vibhuti mat sattvam. Sattvam Srimadurjitameva va tattadevavagachatvam mama tejosha sambhavam. Oh, mama tejomsha sambhavam. Okay. Yat vibhutim vibhutimat sattvam. Yat vibhutimat sattvam. Yat yes, whatever sattvam, any being that you see which has vibhutis,
Talent.
my manifestations. Srimadurjitateva Srimadurjitameva va. Srimadurjitameva va.
Shrimat, yat Sattvam Shrimat, that which may be full of glory, abundance, beauty.
Shrimat.
Urjitam, अथवा which is
Energy.
energized.
एव वा either energetic or glorious, etc. तत्तदेव avagaccha. Just by looking at them, no. Tvam, you know this. Mama tejaha amsha sambhavam. It is my amsha only. Siddhavan. Yat yat loke विभूतिमत् विभूतियुक्तं सत्त्वं वस्तु श्रीमत् ऊर्जितमेव वा श्रीर्लक्ष्मीः तया सहितं उक्तसहोपेतं वा
उत्साहोपेतम्.
whatever उत्साहोपेतं वा right, so that's what he is saying, exactly what we are discussing. तत्तदेव अवगच्छत्वं जानाहि मम ईश्वरस्य तेजोंशसम्भवं तेजसः अंशः एकदेशः सम्भवः यस्य तत् तेजोंशसम्भवमिति अवगच्छत्वम् अथ बहुना एतेन एवमादिना एकं ज्ञातेन तव अर्जुन. I think this is continuing into the next shloka. Is it?
Yeah. Last shloka, let's read it.
Yes. तदनन्तरं वदति कृष्णः
अथवा बहुनैतेन ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन
ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम्
एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्.
अथवा otherwise बहुनैवेतेन किं ज्ञातेन तव अर्जुन. बहुनैव एतेन किं ज्ञातेन तव अर्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्. एकांशेन स्थितः. All this world is filled with only one amsha. Vishtabhyam aham idam. What is Vishtabhyam?
विष्टभ्य अहम् आवाप्य
आवाप्य इति वा
सर्वव्याप्य इति.
विष्टभ्य.
विष्णु इति शब्दादेव विष्टभ्य. स्तम्भन इत्युक्ते
ओ एवं वा. So know that
I have fixed myself in the word विष्टभ्य अहमिदं
कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन
which is one
स्थितः जगत्. All this world is with only one amsha of me. यथा
it says no father only one of the leg of the Purusha became
Purushah पादोऽस्येह भवात् पुनः.
Exactly. So only 1/4 of his amsha is what the actual world is. The other three are hidden from anybody's view.
अथवा बहुनैवेतेन किं ज्ञातेन तव अर्जुन. What do I say more?
Yeah.
What is
I
have told everything. Just know this. All this world is in me only. I am the one who has एकांशेन स्थितः जगत् इत्युक्तवान्. अथवा बहुना एतेन एवमादिना, by saying all of this. अथवा otherwise बहुना एतेन, by all these. किं ज्ञातेन तव अर्जुन.
What have you understood?
सावशेषेण किं ज्ञातं. What did you understand from all this, hey Arjuna? अशेषतः, without leaving anything behind. Tvam uchyamanam. You have to say this. What should you understand? This is what you should understand from all of this. Artham shrunu. I will only tell you what you should say. Vishtabhya. Visheshatah स्तंभनं दृढ़ं कृत्वा. स्तंभनं दृढ़ं कृत्वा विशेषतः स्तंभनं दृढ़ं कृत्वा विष्टभ्य इदं कृत्स्नं जगत् एकांशेन एकावयवेन एकपादेन. putting bracket Ekapadena with 1 foot.
Trivikrama, 1 foot you put, no?
Sarvabhuta Swarupena, the one who is the Swarupa of all bhutas, ityetat tatha cha mantravarnaha padosya vishva bhutani iti. He is quoting the
Burjusudam.
padosya vishva bhutani. He is moreover, I think he is taking from Taittiriya Upanishad. Somehow. Is it there in Taittiriya Upanishad?
It occurs in all the 3 Vedas.
Padosya vishva bhutani.
Is it there in Taittiriya?
The Taittiriya Aranyaka,
90.
not Upanishad.
Oh, Aranyaka.
Aranyaka, Taittiriya Aranyaka.
It features everywhere.
Taittiriya Aranyaka means what?
Before the Taittiriya Upanishad starts.
No. It is the Krishna Yajurveda, right? Tadeva khalu. Iti sthitaha aham iti. So I am the one who has Vishwavyaptaha, Vishwabhuta Swarupaha. Iti. Oh, yes. Iti uktava. So this is what was told. Iti Shrimad Paramahamsa Parivrajakacharyasya Shri Govinda Bhagavat Pujya Pada Shishyasya Srimad Shankara Bhagavataha Krutau Srimad Bhagavad Gita Bhashye Dashamodhyayaha Sampurnam.
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः
परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी शस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अभिमाः सन्ताः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरणां शतम्. करचरणकृतं वाक्कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणेन वा मनसं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व. सर्वं श्रीपरमेश्वरार्पणमस्तु. धन्यवादाः.